Hello, welcome to another video. Today's video is about the PowerLot 20W GaN charger. Well, let's check it out. GaN is the abbreviation of gallium nitride, which is a new type of semiconductor material, and the characteristic of this material allows us to make the charger smaller but more efficient. At the meantime, we use the rubber coating manufacturing crafts to ensure that the surface of the product is silky smooth. In addition, we choose the folding plugs, which means that you can put it into your bag easily when you hang out. PowerLot 20W charger is equipped with a Type-C female port, which can be used with iPhone original Type-C to Lightning cable for the latest iPhone 12 series for faster charging. And we can find a LED light above the port so that we can check the charging status easily. PowerLot 20W charger have passed the UI certification, which means you can use it safely. In the end, let's test the charging performance of this PowerLot 20W charger. We use ChargeLab.com's tools to test the charging performance. Okay, thanks for watching. Next time, I will disassemble this PowerLot wall charger to show what's inside. If you are interested, please follow our channel and feel free to leave your comments. Bye bye.